Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be well appreciated. Doogee made their first tablet around November 2022, which they called the Doogee T10. They later launched Doogee T20 a couple of weeks later. Both tablets are not rugged tablets, and now it looks like the company is finally ready to launch its first rugged tablet around May this year. The tablet will be called Doogee R10. According to leaks by GSM Arena, Doogee R10 will be powered by the Helio G99 processor, and it will pack a 10.3-inch display, and it will come with a 2K IPS LCD. It will run Android 13 out of the box, which will be the first Doogee device to run Android 13 out of the box, unless Doogee launches new products before May. The tablet will have 8GB RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Doogee R10 will also have a micro SD card slot for storage expansion of up to 2TB. Doogee R10 rugged tablet will be powered by Helio G99, which is not a bad chip. As for the camera, the tablet will sport a 20-megapixel Sony sensor on the rear and a 16-megapixel Samsung unit on the front. It conforms to the high-res audio standards defined by the Japan Audio Association and will have a 3.5mm audio jack. In terms of connectivity, the tablet has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and it will also support LTE networks. Doogee R10 will have a 10,800 mAh battery, charged through a USB-C port at up to 18 watt, which is kind of low for such big battery. The Doogee R10 is a rugged tablet, but we don't know if it will have any IP rating or come with any military standard certification like some Doogee smartphones. We just have to wait for Doogee to release more details. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so you won't miss future updates about Doogee R10. Also leave a comment if you have any questions, and watch our other videos.